Hello, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. I'm Josh, the cooking cop, and this is Babe.
And I cook for the cop.
So today we're going to be making a easy, simple recipe of fire roasted salsa. We got some produce, some fresh produce at the supermarket. We're firing up the Weber kettle right now. We're gonna roast them over some charcoal, turning them every 10 minutes or so, and that's gonna take about 45 minutes. Then we're gonna use the Vitamix, and we're gonna make a super easy fire roasted salsa. We've made this a couple times, Babe, and it always is
really yummy.
Really a big hit. So, before we get into that, we have new hats. There they are. Look at it. Okay. All right. So we have merch. Look at this t-shirt design. Look at this t-shirt design. And look at this t-shirt design. So we have a bunch of different stuff. The new Soda Pop t-shirt, everything like that. But we want to do a giveaway in this video for one of the hats. Babe, show them the different hat flavors.
Okay, so we have our girl one. This is like a coral. We've got our logo. We've got a nice blue line flag right there. We have also a charcoal gray and black. This is also very nice. Blue line flag.
Okay.
Top and Babe.
All embroidered.
Snapback. These are embroidered hats with a mesh back end. We have it in white. There you go.
Okay, so
We're very excited.
Babe is super excited. She's been
excited.
working really hard on her merch. So we're trying to get our channel to 3,000 subscribers. So in order to enter the giveaway, you have to thumbs up the video, you have to be a subscriber, and you need to leave a comment on this video what color hat you want. Do you want the pink hat, the white hat, or the gray hat if you win? And then you have to share the video somewhere.
Yes.
Facebook, Instagram, well, you can't really share it on Instagram. Twitter, Facebook, I don't know.
Yeah.
So leave a comment where you shared this video, what color hat you want if you win, and we'll do a random comment picker in a week or two. And
No, once we get to 3,000. Once we get to 3,000.
that could be 5 years from now, babe.
Well, then I guess it's time to get moving.
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna give away a hat. Tell us what color you want, tell us where you shared the video. And without further ado, let's jump into this fire roasted salsa video.
Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Our ingredients. So I'll tell you, we're gonna roast vegetables on our Weber kettle first. We're gonna roast the jalapenos.
Two jalapenos.
2 jalapenos. 2 white onions.
Actually, they're yellow onions, babe.
I mean yellow onions.
I'm the
sorry.
one that picked out all the produce. Thank you. 2 jalapenos,
can't
2
see.
yellow onions,
2 Anaheim peppers.
2 Anaheim peppers,
2 habaneros.
2 habaneros,
3 tomatoes.
3 tomatoes.
Daddy, mommy, baby.
Yeah.
Okay. 2 bell peppers.
Green bell peppers.
All roasted. After those are roasted, we're going to put in a tablespoon of cumin, a tablespoon of paprika,
You can use smoked paprika too. We just don't have any.
1 lime.
No.
The juice of 1 lime?
There we go, babe.
Okay. 6 cloves of garlic, a tablespoon of chicken bouillon, and 1 bunch of cilantro.
And all that's going to go in the Vitamix and make a delicious salsa.
Yes.
But we've never tried it with habaneros before, so that's going to be a first. Normally we just do that without habaneros.
Maybe it'll be spicy this time.
Like you, babe. Like
Ooh,
you.
Yeah.
Okay, time to go on the Weber.
Okay.
The goal is to flip them around every 10 minutes or so. We're cooking them indirect at first. We just want to get some heat in there. And then obviously we're going to get those tomatoes to blister a little bit, but we don't want them to explode. We chop the onions in half. I would put those little habaneros far away from the fire just because.
Yeah,
We'll just put them in
back
there.
here, in the back.
In the back. Jalapenos, roasting.
How's that?
Perfect. And we're going to cover them, like I said, indirect, and we'll come back in about 10, 15 minutes. And we'll do this every 10 or 15 minutes for another 45 minutes to an hour, depending on how they look. 15 minutes, babe.
Yes. Oh, that smells fantastic.
Super yummy.
Yeah. So flip them like
I
that.
just flip them over. I just keep them moving every 10 to 15 minutes or so. Those I usually kind of just leave because it becomes a pain in the butt.
Okay.
I just rotate them a little bit. Jalapenos looking good. That's looking yummy.
Do those stay?
Tomatoes need to get turned upside down now. Yep. See you back in 15. All right. It's been 30 minutes now, babe, right? This is the second flip, 15 and 15. And you can see, look at these coming along. So we'll move these onions up a little bit over here. You guys can make this go as slow or as fast as you want, depending on how close you get stuff to the fire. Like this one is coming along nice. We'll put this one over here, put that one right here. This one's starting to crack, and it smells, babe.
It smells very good.
It smells very good.
It smells like we're in Mexico
Smells
at a legit restaurant.
It smells delicious. Ooh, babe, look at those tomatoes.
Looks so good. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of salsa. This salsa is my favorite. Even my homemade own pico.
Yeah. Do you want to take these off now, babe?
Yeah, we better do that.
Okay, let's take these off. And we'll throw them in the blender and wait for their friends to come with them.
Okay.
Okay, back on. We'll see you in 10 minutes.
Okay, so we put our 2 little habaneros because they were done on the grill and we didn't want them to turn into dehydrated. We're putting a whole bunch of cilantro.
A whole bunch or one bunch? Or just a whole bunch?
A whole bunch equaling out to 1 bunch.
Okay.
6 big cloves of garlic. We're going to do the juice of 1.5 limes. Where's my lime squeezer?
You've taken it upon yourself to change up the recipe again.
I love changing it up. Although you make it perfectly, so.
Well, we'll see how it goes this time. We're changing it up again and again. So you're doing 1.5 limes because they're not that big.
Yeah, they're little babies. Okay, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon.
I don't really know why we started using that when we started making this a while back. I think I read somewhere. I don't get it. I don't get it.
But it's good. And then salt and pepper to taste. So.
Good grief, babe. My blood pressure. Black pepper.
Yeah, I need a new grinder.
I know.
Okay, tablespoon of cumin.
Cumin has the... Wow, that's a pretty big tablespoon, babe.
Okay, I got some back. There you go.
Okay, so it's been 45 minutes now.
Ooh, it's looking so yummy.
And now, because I don't want to wait any longer, I'm going to just put a little bit over the coals for a couple minutes and roast them up. And then we'll bring them in. Let's get that, finish that fire roasting. Babe, the smell.
I know. I
so
wish
good.
that they could smell it. You got to make this so you can smell it. Just for
Look
the
at these
smell.
things pop up.
Mm-hmm. That would hurt if it blew up in your face.
Yeah, it probably would hurt if it blew up in your face.
All right, we're gonna start by putting a tomato in. We're gonna have to do this in like.
we might have made a big batch this time.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do it in.
And you want to cut the stems off of them, off of the peppers and stuff like that, off the jalapenos and
make sure you keep the juice in there. Okay, let's start with that. If you don't have a Vitamix, you need one in your life. They are the best. Okay. Another onion. Hot. We haven't done a bell pepper yet. Let's do that. We're gonna have to do this in batches because we have so much. So I'm gonna do this one and dump it into the bowl, and then I'll do the rest of this, and then we'll mix it all together.
maybe you have enough salsa, you're going to, for
The whole
the whole neighborhood. And while Babe is burning her fingers, let me tell you, these are some of our favorite store-bought tortilla chips. They're just really, really good.
They are yummy.
I like them.
And they're cheap.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm actually gonna take, I wanna take the juice that came off all this.
Yeah,
I'm
put
gonna
that in
put
there
it all
too.
in there, yeah. Okay, here we go.
Now you gotta give it a good mix,
That's a lot of salt.
and we gotta get this cooled down.
So how long do we cool it for?
Oh,
I forget.
We sat it in the refrigerator for a long time.
A couple hours.
Yeah. Because it's hot.
Mmm. It smells so good. This is my favorite salsa. Okay, Miami Vice.
Listen, I'm just here to party, people. Okay, enter Babe's giveaway. Share the video, say where you shared it, get one of Babe's merch hats. But hold on. This is hot. This has not been in the refrigerator yet.
So it still is going to taste even better after it cools down.
That's really good, bud.
Yeah?
Once it sits in the refrigerator, especially when it gets cold, especially when it sits for like 8-10 hours, it really gets good. But
Yeah. I feel like my face is burning off, and that's
it's
spicy.
not spicy at
It's
all.
not?
No.
Why can't we get anything
It's
spicy?
more spicy than last time, or
Yeah.
the time before, because of those habaneros probably. Mm-hmm. And we added 2 jalapenos.
I mean, my face is burning from touching
A
it.
child would eat this.
Yeah?
The flavor is so good when you roast the vegetables.
We'll have to save some for Liv when she gets here on Monday.
It's so good. Ooh, that bite was a little heat, but nothing crazy.
Okay, babe.
I'm just sitting here eating hot salsa.
Josh's salsa. Now we each have a salsa recipe on the channel. Link above for mine.
Oh yeah.
Make them both.
Yours is more of like a pico though.
Mine's a pico. Okay, babe. Yummy?
I would eat that hot, like temperature hot.
Oh, really?
It's really good.
Well, you do a great job. It's the only salsa I really like. And I
Okay.
make my own salsa.
All right.
Okay, babe.
Come and try a little bite and then we'll sign off.
Okay, I'll try a little bitey bite. Oh, yeah.
I'm telling you, it's not spicy.
There's the flavor.
Yeah, it has a certain distinct like fire roasted flavor.
I love it. I do. I really like it. Oops.
All right, that's
Yeah.
it. I wonder
As
who's going to
usual.
win the hat. I wonder what color they want.
Share this video. Tell us where you shared it. Comment in the video. Comments.
Yeah, we said that, babe.
I'm just reminding you.
All right,
Tell us where you shared it.
we'll see you guys on the next one.
Do it.